know, they're getting tired. Their little timers are running out. Time for a nap. They're playing with the plastic again. Have you already started the food, Jim?
Yeah, I gotta go.
Oh, happy, happy puppy. Happy, happy little dog. He loves the run of the yard.
Okay, you can start putting them back in, and I'm gonna go get the food.
Wait, don't go anywhere, Jim. They're falling in. Come back
Oh,
here.
here, puppies. Oh my God. 2, 4,
6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, honey, come here. Come here.
Yeah.
Here's. Is this 11? Oh, there's one. Oh, that's so funny.
Yeah, Loretta.
Go for it, Loretta. Run, baby.
Here, puppy. Good dog.
Oh,
That's a good dog right there.
you are good. You are good. We love you very much. Oh, she's getting her white on the inside of her ears, baby. Look.
Yeah.
Oh, you're going to be so pretty. She's going to be particularly long-nosed.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful shape.
Yeah.
All right, go fix some dog food. Taylor, you have to videotape when we feed these puppies, okay?
Okay.